Okay, y'all, so today is a very special video. I want everybody to watch it thoroughly, watch it through, because it's not just about this car. I know the car just brings us all together because we all love these hot rods here on this platform. But today, I mean, this, like I said, it's a good message. It's a great guy, has a lot going on, a lot of positive stuff going on. So I'm here with Sergeant Pushup. So Sergeant, yes indeed, Sergeant Pushup. So just go ahead and tell these people everything they need to know. Tell them what you have going on. I've talked to him personally, y'all. He got an amazing mission, so I'm gonna let you take the floor.
All right. So my name is Patrick Parker, but I'm known as Sergeant Pushup, and I'm a war veteran. And what I wanted to do is continue to serve the country. But this time I work for children from New York to California. So before you see a Mustang that was donated to me, but I sold my Mustang in order to start this campaign. So I sold my Mustang, I went without transportation, and someone 3 years later donated this Mustang to me when I said that if I ever got another vehicle, that's what I was going to use it for, if I got another performance car. So this vehicle right here, this Mustang, belongs to children from New York to California. And why do it belong to children? Because I am doing 1 million push-ups to feed them. But right now, because we have the COVID-19 going on, every time someone donates one of these books, I have to give them push-ups. So you could donate a book. This book talks thoroughly about how the children should cough in their arms, how they should cover their mouth, how they should wash their hands. It's an exercise book, why they should help their parents, why they should stay fit. So it's not just about a comic book, it's a workbook. So they thoroughly go through it. Then they have to write me a letter on how they would stay germ-free and protect their family and themselves. So it's all about serving the nation. And as I said, this campaign started for me selling my Mustang 3 years ago. Then I had another vehicle that was donated to me that was an older vehicle. But here we are right now, talking to you 3 years later. Someone donated this vehicle to me, but it belongs to children across the nation. So all I need people to do is follow me Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube as Sergeant Pushup. Every time you see me doing push-ups, that means somebody's donated one of these books to help children. So we won't lose any kids during this pandemic, or somebody's feeding children. So how many meals have you fed? 325,000 meals across America. 325,000 meals across America. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears, but now there's blood, sweat, and gears. So help me out, help me to help children. And if you ever see this Mustang and you want to race it, or you see it at a track, you got to let me win, because that means you're taking away from the children.
Most definitely. So, like I said, y'all, he definitely has a positive thing going on. I stand behind it 100%, man. Y'all know my platform is bigger than cars. Me, myself, my brand is bigger than cars and stuff too. So, if you would, man, let's try to get these books, get these books out to these children. Like I said, I personally read both of them. He got one about germs and bullying. And like I said, he's feeding the kids out here. He's doing these push-ups. Like, tell him how far you travel. This how serious he is about his mission. So
okay, so you know the game. When you're in the racing game, which I will consider myself a racer, but you're not supposed to drive your car and put a lot of miles. I drove this car from Baltimore, Maryland to Montgomery, Alabama to here in Georgia at the Middle Georgia Motorsport Park. So it's not about putting miles on this car. This car, as you see, that's how it came, and that's how I drove it with the Mickey Thompsons on there. So I'm doing everything I possibly can in order to help. And the car doesn't belong to me. The car belongs to children. It's bigger than that. I don't care about what kind of numbers I run. The only numbers I want is I want to make sure every child has a meal, no child dies from this pandemic. And I'm saying this here on this form. If it took me losing my life, but every child would have a meal and every child would be free from this COVID-19, I'd die, no question. Just like I served my country, but this time I work for every child across America. So please help me out, help me to help the children, just a regular guy trying to help out kids.
All right, look y'all, we were just talking off camera. Sergeant Pushup said, should not drop down and give him 20. And these books, like I said, the price of them, they're how much?
$12. That's it.
They're $12.
That's not a life.
It's not a lot. So it's $12. So what I'm about to do, right here, on camera first. Okay. So let me get this right. Y'all just bear with me. Y'all bear with me, cause I'm about to buy $12. I want 10 books.
All right.
10 books, and like I said, they going to the kids. So y'all see, we 10 books. So we about to get this sent over to Sergeant Pushup.
And you gotta sign your name on the books.
I got you. I definitely do that.
Sign your name, and when you get a book, you have to say big brother, big sister, because I don't want them to think it's just me to love them. I want them to know that they got other people all across America.
Okay, I like that. I like that. So, all right, we about to get him, cause we got it. That's his thing, Pushup. So what is it?
All right, my Cash App is Sergeant Pushup 1.
Abbreviated SGT.
SGT
Okay,
Pushup,
I got it.
and the number 1.
I got it. Okay.
It got to be the number 1 on there.
All right, so we got it. We about to get these. All right, let me see. Gotta get these push-ups. There you go, right there. It look good.
Oh yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So there we go, y'all. This what he do.
All right, I owe you 20, but I'm not gonna give you 20. I'm gonna give you 60 right here.
All right. That sounds good. That sounds good to me.
Go ahead and knock them out.
Let's knock them out. Let's get it.
All right.
Knocked them out, y'all.
61.
Yeah, he gave us 61, y'all. So
all right.
that's what his mission about, y'all. So like I said, man, please support this or whatever. Like these books are definitely going to the kids and everything. It's a great mission. So please support and tell them. Can you let them know how they can pay?
Okay, so you can do PayPal, Cash App, PayPal, Cash App. If you do Cash App, SGT Pushup and the number 1. SGT Pushup, the number 1.
I got it on the screen for the Cash App, and the PayPal is.
And the PayPal, you'll see the link on there too, Sergeant Pushup, but it'll stroll across the screen.
All right, and I'm gonna put all the information on the screen, y'all. Like I said, $12. All right.
Push up, push up, push up. To the kids about germs. That's right. So everybody that donates the book, listen, I gotta hit the ground. So do you love children? I'm glad you said yes. I know you do. So I have these books on hand right now. You make the donation, I pound the ground. I need you to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube at Sergeant Pushup. Oh, he's not serious. I'm gonna tell you how serious I was. I used the thing that I love the most. Now I love all cars, so don't take offense to this, but the one thing that I had of value was my Mustang, and it was built to, and I sold that and I walked for 5 months, and I used the money for themselves to feed kids across America. That's how serious I am with this campaign. Things don't mean anything unless we take care of children. So now I have a book. It's called Sergeant Pushup Talks to the Children About Germs. I want you to put me on the ground, donate a book, and let's help these children right here, right now. So follow me, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube at Sergeant Pushup, decorated war veterans doing push-ups to bring awareness not only to childhood hunger, not only to bullying, but helping our children during this pandemic. You know what time it is. It's hard push-up time. Put me on the ground and go ahead and follow me Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Thank you.
Sandra.